Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel. Today's sketch is this one right here. And of course, you can find this in the Scrapping Reflections Facebook group. The link will be down below in the description. Make sure you tag me if you post your Follow Sketch February in social media. And of course, please post your layout. I am excited to see what you can do. So this sketch has 2 photos and a couple of different layers of things. So I have my 2 photos and a couple of different layers of things. So let's see what I can do. All right, guys, here is one of those times where I didn't hit record. So here we are. I am going to let you know what I did. I had this sheet of paper here and I went ahead and inked it up with the Tiny Heart stencil from Scrapping Reflections. Now, I also used my new blender brush. It's the first time I used it. I got it for the color orange because I did not have a blender brush for orange. And it's an orange. It's a paprika orange, but it's an orange. So this needs to be cleaned off. I went ahead and I cut them down to 3.5-inch strips and placed them on top of this orange paper. And then I realized that I wanted a little bit something more, so I trimmed down the orange paper on these 2 sides and this side, placed it on a sheet of white 12x12 cardstock. Then, since I had this white, I thought that I needed to have a little bit of grunge, but a little bit of the bright white. So I matted my 4x6 photos onto 4.5x6.5-inch white cardstock. And then I pulled out a Delish sticker sheet from Paper House. And then I have the Mix It Up, the Heart, Delight, Delicious, and the Wooden Spoon. These are all from that sticker sheet. Some of them are popped up on foam, some of them aren't. Then I grabbed my super glittery thickers right here to spell out the word Epcot. I dug around in my flower stash for a few moments because this is a flower and garden festival layout. So you know that means that I definitely have to have flowers on this layout. So I found these and I decided that they gave me the best bang for my buck and the color matched up pretty well. So I put it near the cutting board. I also did one up at the top right here and then one under the wooden spoon. Now, I originally tried to put one over here by the Mix It Up, but there's some herbs right here. Like, this is an herb sticker, so I didn't put the flowers over there. And then to finish this bad boy off, I grabbed some enamel dots and just put them in each of the clustered areas. Now, I do want to mention when I used my paprika ink through my stencil, some places I added more ink and some places I added a little bit less ink, and that gives me the variation in colors right there. So this is the Epcot Delight layout. I do have to add a couple little lines of journaling. These were fried risotto balls, and this was Prosecco, and the combination together, delicious. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for joining me during Follow a Sketch February, and I will see you again real soon for another video.